Good afternoon, student. Welcome to all of you in e-learning class. I myself Beena from New Modern English School, New Area, Nevada. This video is for class 7, Civics, lesson 7. Understanding advertisement or advertising. Yesterday I was explaining about Top Taste Dal and Care Soap. Suppose that here is an example. Top Taste Dal began to sold and another company decides to sell their product, sell their dal in a packet, and the same name the company could not keep it, so they decide to keep their special name Best Taste Dal. The consumer is confused because what is the difference between Top Taste Dal and Best Taste Dal? Just naming a dal does not help to sell it. So the advertising begin. And advertising begin with the special value of this dal. What is the special value of Best Taste Dal? Their main advertising or special value is give your children great food value. That means if consumer use Best Taste Dal, then they give your children great food value. That means nutritious food if they use Best Taste Dal. From this two dal advertisement, the company tried to convince us Top Taste Dal is appealing to concern our treating the guest extremely well, and Best Taste Dal try to convince us that for our children's health and that they eat the things that are good for their children. Values such as treating our guests well and making sure children get nutritious food are used by brand to create brand value. This brand value conveyed through the use of visuals and their word. If you watch TV and in the mid of the serial there are a number of advertisement and all of you watch, the company tried to or the product tried to convince us through visual and through words. Not they only see the pictures of a toffee, of cement, of a biscuit or different things. They also talk some words which is attractive. They also try to visual picture that attracts the consumers. So student, now you have to know how many types of advertisement. There are two types of advertisement. First is commercial advertisement and second is social advertisement. Commercial advertisement is done for only to sell their product and earn more and more profit. An advertisement which is made for only to sell their product and earn more money, such as any ये thumbs up you can take, or perk toffee, or bikaji bhujia, and any type of cement, or any different things. But second is social advertisement, and advertisement which is made for awareness of the among the people, such as you can take example of Swachh Bharat Mission. This is also an advertisement, such as nowadays you are watching about corona disease, COVID-19. 2 गज की दूरी, मास्क है जरूरी, एंड ऑल्सो जब तक दवाई नहीं तब तक ढिलाई नहीं. These are the social advertisement, and they try to convince us a awareness among the people. So student, thank you. Next topic I will teach you next day.